Alright, so it is cold here, but I had to get you guys an outdoor shot. So, hopefully you guys can see most of my skin. It's time to do an update on my skin. See how much of this you guys can see. I have gotten a little bit of sun on my face. So it's funny because I have lightened a lot. Legs, stomach. I think my hands are the only things that are a little darker, as you guys can see. I got some sun exposure at work that I just didn't have my gloves with me. But aside from that, everything else has gotten really light pretty fast. It's been, what, a month on Santiva, a little over a month. I'm almost out of my, I'm like making it last. I'm almost out of my jar, and I really hope they have like overnight shipping or something, because yeah, I'm just gonna reach out and see if they have overnight. I looked on the website, I didn't see it. They have like a free shipping thing, but because like I'm still not back at home, so I need it very quickly. And it's at a place where it's like think of like a lodge where there's like multiple people living as well. So it's like, I just want to make sure that like I get it, you know what I mean? Like on a day that I'm there and not working. But yeah, very happy with my skin. I wish I could show you guys more, but like I said, it is freezing here. The lighting inside the lodge is kind of like a cozy cabinish feel, so you can't really see, so that's why like we're outside. If I could put on shorts I would, but it's freezing. So yeah, so the Santiva is better than the other one that I bought off of Amazon, the Terraform brand. It is better than that, but if you think about it, Terraform is just acetyl glutathione. The Santiva has like what, 4 or 5 different ingredients in it. All of them, like whatever they're doing, I freaking love it. I love it, love it, love it. It really helps with digestion. It really helps with digestion. Every day that like I take it, I'm always like just regular, everything, all the waste is moving out of my body. When you are not regular, when you're not taking your number 2s, just know that you're also using up your glutathione, because that's extra toxins in your body. So a lot of people, like they'll go the like the sweat method, they'll go and do like saunas and things like that, or they'll go do cardio, anything that gets like their heart rate up, their blood pumping, and like, you know, a little bit of sweating out those toxins. You can do that, but you also have to think that if you're not getting all of those, especially out of your, what's it called? Oof. You're like all the toxins that are in your bowels, if you're not moving that out, then that is seeping back into your body, and it's just extra toxins that are building up. And that's what glutathione is for. It is for you know, detoxifying your body. So it's going to do that. And so when you're drinking, which is another toxin, it's going to use up to get that out of your body. And if you're in a like area that has like a lot of smog, a lot of smoke, things like that, then guess what? You're gonna also use your glutathione, because it's, you know, it's there to make you healthier. So it's good to make it easier so that you can start building up more glutathione, so then you can start the lightening phase. So I'm extremely happy with how it's been lightening. I'm extremely happy with, like, okay, so I have a lot of people who will move from glutathione IVs to doing like rectal syringes, and a lot of people say like rectal syringe is like the only thing that's worked for them. And I'm wondering if it's not because with rectal syringes you're able to have those bowel movements. So it's like whatever glutathione you're taking, you just need to make sure that you're able to have those bowel movements, so then you can make more, like when you're doing like a rectal syringe, like your body creates like this bile, which helps with the lightening as well. The Santiva, like it works as well as the rectal syringe, in my opinion, which is crazy to say over something that's oral. Because with rectal syringe, it does get, basically it's, there's like this membrane that's only 2 inches within your rectum, and basically, people used to take supplements, vitamins, this was like an old thing that they learned in the triage, like during one of the world wars, and that they could give, if they didn't have like IVs, that this is how they could administer things, to their patients. And so it's something that we can still obviously do today. But yeah, I would say it does work as well as the rectal syringe. It does work better than the other acetyl that I have, but that acetyl, like I said, it's just acetyl glutathione. It doesn't have the other supplements in it like Santiva does. The only thing I haven't been using is their the vitamin C. I could only pack so many things, and so sadly that was like, I was already overweight too, as far as like for my luggage. So that's just the only thing I did not pack. So I've just been using their Santiva, like their glutathione, the acetyl one. And then I just had just a couple of, once I got here, I was able just to order a liposomal vitamin C, but their vitamin C works even better than regular ones because it's not just vitamin C. And honestly, it's about the same price with everything that's in it that boosts your glutathione. It is about the same price as a high quality liposomal vitamin C. So honestly, you'd probably just be saving more and better off just using theirs. But yeah, it's definitely one of those supplements that I don't want to be without. And now that I'm running out, it's like because I still have acetylglutathione with me. I have that Terraform brand. I'm just letting you know it doesn't work as well as the Santiva does. So there's that. So yeah, just you have to stick with what works for you, what you see working. Maybe that Terraform brand, maybe you just need a higher dose of it. I don't know. But I think Santiva works so well because of the other ingredients in it as well. It definitely is potent. So I've been taking 3 to 4 a day. So that's where I'm at right now. Obviously right now I'm at a lull because I'm running out. So we'll see within the next couple of days. Obviously it's a Sunday, so we'll see. Hopefully this week I can get it by Tuesday or something, and just get back on my regular schedule. But it works. If you're worried about if it works or not, it works. This is the update, and I hope you guys are really able to see my skin, because you know, like lighting is difficult. You definitely want to be somewhere where the lighting is true, like not like washing you out, which makes you seem lighter, but not too dark and yellow to where it makes you look cozy. So I mean, right now, as you can see, it's just kind of like a dreary, wet day. It's not very sunny at all. So yeah, hopefully you guys get a good idea of what my skin has come to within the last month.